Okay, hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to JFD Brokers Traders Espresso with me, Darius Luchauskas. Today is the 1st of May, 2018. So not a lot of markets are open today, but nevertheless, there are a few. So yeah, we're going to have a look at the markets, what happened yesterday, what to expect from them today, maybe tomorrow, how to plan yourself and like prepare yourself for tomorrow as well. So yeah guys, as always, let's have a read through our risk disclaimer. So JFD Brokers offers exclusively consultancy free services. The content of this webinar does not constitute investment advice or investment recommendation and does not in any way constitute an invitation to acquire any financial instrument or product. I'll just give you a few seconds to read the rest and yeah, we can continue. Also, before we jump into the charts, quick reminder of our JFD Brokers webpage, slightly updated now, and if you click here on research and then JFD research, it will take you to our little page that we update on a daily basis. We throw out different trading shoutouts, different trading technical analysis, analysis in different languages as well. So yeah, guys, feel free to visit us and check us out. But now let's have a look at the markets. The first one quickly I want to touch on is actually Bitcoin. I mean, some of you are a fan of it, some of you are not, but still, nevertheless, I mean, it's coming into the lives of the financial markets quite significantly, so probably it's sometimes good to touch on it and see how it's doing. So for now, we can see that we are just trading in the range here a little bit, and we are waiting for a better direction. Certainly, of course, all the Bitcoin bulls are really eager to see this popping to the upside, eventually hitting the 10,000 level again, the psychological 10,000. So for now, we are just slightly below this area right here at around 9,150 approximately there. Certainly we would need to see a move here above this level right here, above these previous highs, in order to see this this crypto moving a little bit higher. We would like to see a break above the 9,800, let's say like that, approximately there, and also as well taking out this 200 EMA here on the daily chart, which would also almost be the same level as the psychological 10,000. Now, if we do get breaks above these levels, then well, keep an eye on higher levels here. I've got this area as a good. This area of resistance here, which is around 11,700 level, approximately there, as a previous high here that we had in February. So, like I said, keep an eye on this, guys. I mean, keep an eye on the move higher. If we get a break above this level initially, above these previous highs here, recent highs that we had in April, and eventually again a break of the 200 EMA. If we won't see something like that, then let's say we can see a move here towards this 7650 area, approximately there, as a potential good area of support, initial support. But if that doesn't hold, we can probably move a little bit lower and maybe hit these lows here that we had in April and in February. So, and these lows are around these 6650 approximately there. So yeah, keep an eye on this one, but consider that on level only if we get a break below this area. But for now, we are probably gonna just observe this one and not touch it, because like I said, it's just a bit too tricky right now with this one. So let's have a look at the at the indices, what happened yesterday, we can see a nice sell-off, let's say like that. It hit my level here at around 2650, 2645, 2650 approximately there. So now it found its support. We could potentially maybe move a little bit lower. The thing is that we haven't broken it, we just closed on it, and we could potentially, I don't know, open up in the positive zone and then move higher again, maybe take out this 2675 and then head higher. But again, because we're just really, it's a really tight trading activity right now, so we are very cautious with this one. And I mean, there is some chance for this index to continue pushing lower, maybe a test of this 200 EMA again. So for now, it's like I said, keep an eye on these levels initially. I mean, keep an eye on this 2645, 2650 approximately, that area. A break below that could potentially open the path towards this 200 EMA, but like I said, I mean, it is a bit tricky right now, and so I would probably stay away from this. Looking at the FTSE is going to be open today, and yesterday we saw this nice shooting star here forming on the daily chart. Certainly, we closed below this area that I had marked, this 7510 approximately there. We closed slightly below this one. So now the question is this enough for this index to kind of take this line as a good resistance level, or actually we are going to continue pushing higher and maybe we'll see a move towards this 75.85 area. Certainly, if this level here, the 75.10, acts as a good resistance level, then potentially we could see maybe a small move towards the downside here, maybe a test of this area, the 74.40, and of course this upwards moving support line here. Well, a break of which could bring some negativity back on the table here. Maybe we could see a bit of a move lower, maybe even towards this area right here at around 73.10 or round number 7300. So keep an eye on this one, guys. Looking at gold, gold is in the selling mode for now, so we are keeping an eye on this one. I was talking about this level yesterday, the 1307, as a potential good area of support, so keep an eye on that one. We're not far from this. We're only about what $5 away from hitting that area. Certainly, if we do get a sudden reversal back to the upside here, and this commodity will move above this let's say bottom of this upwards moving support line, or inside to back into this triangle formation. Yeah, apologies for that, guys. So yeah, if we get a move back into this formation again, and we'll start hitting the 1320, 1321 areas, be careful. I mean, this might be like a reversal signal for gold, but like I said, for now we're just aiming for this area right here, 1307. Certainly, of course, personally, I would like to see a hit of a 1300 level, but well, then again, for now, I'll just go step by step. Looking at euro dollar, so the euro dollar is in the selling mode as well. We are seeing this move below the 12900. We had a close yesterday below that, so potentially this could start looking ugly for the euro. And I mean, I kept talking about this area here at around the 200 EMA. This would also coincide with the psychological 120 level. Could be a very good area for a test for this pair. Probably that's what everybody's anticipating right now. Everybody wants to see that 120 level being hit. But again, like I said, just always be prepared for any surprises, and you know the markets. I mean, they never do what we want them to do. So yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, for now, keep an eye on this 120,900. If we suddenly get a reversal back above this, potentially we probably could interpret that this pair doesn't want to sell off for now, let's say like that. So yeah, guys, but on the downside, yep, keep an eye on this 200 EMA and the 120 level. Let's have a look at the British pound. So the British pound is, yep, I mean, it's still weak. Yesterday we got held here at this upwards moving trend line, this longer term trend line that started what, around March 2017. So yeah, guys, I mean, at the moment all eyes are in this area. Of course, we can see that yesterday we even broke it a little bit, but I was talking about this level right here, this 137, 150, and we can see that it managed to slightly break this upwards moving trend line, but hit the 137, 150, and then actually reversed back up and closed above the upwards moving trend line. So now we're still above the upwards moving trend line, and of course we'll have to probably wait and see how this day will close as well, because if we'll see another close above this, then well, we could potentially see maybe a bit of a correction back to the upside, maybe even a move towards this area right here at around 138,900, or even the round number of 139. So yeah, guys, keep an eye on this one. Suddenly, if we, let's say, get a total break here, I mean the break of this upwards moving trend line and this line here, the 137, 150, keeping the next area that we could be watching is this one right here. Let me just highlight that, and that's around the 136, 150 as well. So good level of support as well, and but that we will only consider that if we get a nice break here below. Looking at the some of the dollar pairs here, so the USD JPY, it's at an interesting spot. I mean, someone could probably say that this is forming like a this is a bullish pattern, and we could potentially break this this level right here, these recent highs, and these recent highs are around the 109,500 approximately there. Yep. And we could, if we get a nice pop here to the upside, we break this 109,500. Well, it is opening the path towards this higher level here, especially towards this 200 EMA here at around 110 to 200. And if these lines are correct, let's say like that, if we are within this channel here, to upwards moving channel, then we could potentially take out this 200 EMA, slightly move above here, test this upper side of this potential channel, and then yeah, I mean, we could probably work ourselves from there, maybe a little a retracement back down, or maybe if the trend is going to continue being strong, then we could potentially continue moving higher. Certainly for now, keep an eye on this 109,500. This initially will act as a good resistance level. If it actually does act as a good strong resistance level, then well, we could potentially maybe get a move back down here below this long-term upwards moving trend line. This line, by the way, is running since what, since 2012, something right like that. Actually, let's double check that. It has been a strong up move here for the USD JPY, and this was running since, yeah, around the 2012, the end of 2012. So if we get a nice break below this line again, keep an eye on this upwards moving support line here that started around the 26th of March, and if we get a break below that level as well, well, this could probably look bad for this pair, and we could see it potentially moving lower towards this 107,900 or even 108 level. Yes, okay guys, I will have to end it here. I hope you found it useful. We are, like I said, we are open today. So yeah, guys, I will be running the Traders Tea Time later on today at around 14:15 British Summer Time, 13:15 GMT. So yeah, guys, as always, I hope you have a good day and keep an eye on the price action. I shall see you later on, guys. Bye bye.